Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this rear view mirror dual channel recorder for viewing purposes. It has HD video recording, it's a display that goes onto your rear view mirror, and it has a 170-degree wide angle view that also has a rear view camera, which I think is great. So let's take everything out of the box first, and when we open it we find that it's really well protected with lots of foam, and this is a proper main unit. Let's take it a closer look. You get the camera in this side with a plastic film to protect it. And here we have all the different ports to use it, like a Type-C port, the GPS, and the AV port. And we also get a memory card slot, so we can record our trips. It already comes with one. It's a 64 gigabytes memory card, which I think is great. You can see it has these handle-like pieces, so it attaches to the mirror, and this is how it looks when it's turned off, which I think it's really nice. In this bag we have the rear view camera with all the screws that you need to install it. You even got a double-sided tape so you can just place it like that and being more easily. The rear view camera, okay. The power adapter, so we can use it on our car. You can see it's a 12 volts DC adapter, which I think it's nice, to Type-C, okay. And we even get a USB Type A port in it, which I think it's really nice. Lastly, we have the Earsure manual, okay. We're gonna give it a quick read. You can use it with CarPlay, which I think it's great, connecting it to the stereo, which I think it's really nice. You can also mirror it via AirPlay, which I think it's really nice, or Android Cast, which is really great. And we can have different audio outputs to choose from. We can be playing the speaker from the proper main unit. It has some speakers right here, which I think it's really nice. We can connect it to our stereo, so it uses Bluetooth but into our stereo directly, or adjusting the FM frequency with the proper screen, so it uses like a channel, like a radio channel, which I think it's nice, and using it with the auxiliary cable, which I think it's the easiest option. So let's go ahead and start installing it, and let's see how it works. Okay, come on. The installation process is really easy. You just have to place it into your rear view mirror and do the proper wiring. To do the wiring, you have a tool so you can hide all the cables, which I think it's really nice. As you can see, it's already installed. You can change the brightness of the screen if you want it. As you can see, I have the rear view camera right here. As you can see, we have settings, auto dimming, screensaver. You can select any system information of the proper camera. You can set it up so that you have a visible reverse line when you are going reverse, which I think it's really nice. You can also, as I've said, use Carplay, Android Auto, Superlink, and with the audio output we can select where we are gonna take the audio from. We're gonna test it out with an auxiliary cable, and let's go ahead and give it a quick trip, and let's see how it looks. Okay, come on. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already placed, and I think it's really nice. As you can see, I'm using the auxiliary cord so we can listen to the music, and we can see the camera right here. So let's go ahead and take a quick round. You see, we have the front-facing camera and the rear camera, both with an excellent quality, I must say, which I think is nice. We're gonna adjust it over the light. We can select if we want it to be recording all the time or just at specific times. We can even take a photo right here, just pressing this button, it's taking a photo. We can go back into the main menu or adjust the music. We can also use it to make some phone calls. It has a built-in microphone, which I think is really nice. We can set up the time and date. Right now it isn't adjusted. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and configure the proper time and date. To configure it, you just have to select the time and date in the menu. It's really easy, and I think it's nice. As you can see, it's really easy to set it up, and right now it's ready. Okay, so let's go ahead once again. Once that you have it installed, the rear view camera, you can have the option to set it up so that when you go on reverse, you can see some lines markings, so you don't go wrong or having the distance of the car that it's on the back, which I think it's really useful. Another thing that I find quite nice is that the display size is of 11.8 inches with obviously the touch screen, and The video resolution of the front camera is of 4K and the rear camera 180p. It also supports voice control using Siri or Google systems, which I think it's an excellent function. And it has reverse assistance, so once that you get into reverse, the camera automatically switch to the rear view camera with the reverse lines, which I think it's really useful. It records automatically when you turn on the car, and it also turns on cameras, which I think it's an excellent function, making it easier, and you don't have to be worrying about starting to record. So overall, I think it's really nice. It's perfect to use it when you're driving, having a road trip, or anything that you want. And overall, I will really recommend it. See you guys.